Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel and today we are back again with a new video. So in this video, I will show you how can you install all the Khmer fonts on your PC or laptop. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly open any one of the web browser and simply type install all Khmer font on PC free download. After that, simply open this website which says download all Khmer Unicode. Then after scroll below in the website, you will see the option of download. Simply click on it and shortly the latest version of the Khmer font will be downloaded. But this file will be in zip format, so once the download has been completed, for all the fonts to be available in your device, you need to extract the files. Shortly the file has been downloaded and you will see that in recent download history at the top. So once the file has been downloaded, simply double click on it and it will open in the file explorer of your device. As you can see, all the files has been downloaded. Now all you need to do is select the zip folder and at the top you can see the option of extract all. Simply click on it and then you're good to go. Once all the file has been extracted, the Khmer font is now available in your PC. So that's it. That is how easily you can install Khmer font on your PC or laptop. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.